everyone, welcome to Byte by Riya. So today we are going to build a clean and elegant enquiry form using just HTML and CSS. Okay, so what we are going to do today is we have to make a full screen background image. You can see that to give a modern look, and we are using a transparent white box over it to make a form pop like this, and we have input fields for name, email, phone number, and you can also I also have a drop down to choose the type of inquiry like product support, feedback, or other. And we can also have a message box. Okay, and I also use a simple HTML validation, not by using JavaScript or anything like required fields. Okay, it will, if I forgot to type my name, it will and try to submit. Okay, I'm not typing my name and trying to submit. It is asking to please fill out this field, as well as if I type my email and I didn't put any format like email format, it will also help me. It will also ask me to write a proper email. It will not check in detail. Okay, like it will not check like a proper email address or not. If you want to do like that, you want to make use of JavaScript. But today I'm going with a simple HTML only, as well as for phone number. If I write, I'm checking the validation. I'm checking whether the user entered 10 digit or not. Okay, it is asking enter 10 digits only. You can see when I'm submitting. Okay, I want to put here. Okay, it is asking please match the requested format. It is asking enter 10 digits only. Then you can see if I type something, the box is changing to another color. And if I'm clicking on it, that means if the input box is active, you can see a black border around it. Okay, if I didn't choose anything, that is white, but if I choose something, it will change to blue. For example, here, if I didn't type anything, the box is white. If I type any number, the box is turning to blue in color. And yeah, and that's all. And finally we have a submit button. Okay, so let me hide this, and I'm closing this. Okay, so let's move on to the Visual Studio Code. Here, let's start to do coding without wasting time. So let's start with our HTML format. So what you need to do is that click on Shift key, click on exclamation, and click on Enter. I got a complete structure of HTML. Then here, title I'm giving as, I want to change the title as, so let's start coding with me, guys. You can code with me. Enquiry Form. FOR. Okay. Oh my god. Enquiry. I'm giving a title as Enquiry Form. Now here I want to put the style as well. I'm going to put CSS over here by internal CSS only. Okay, but not now, at the last. We will style later. First of all, I want to write complete code of HTML. Okay, so coming inside the body, I want to create a class. Okay, why I'm creating class? Because so I can style it. It will help me while styling it and all. So yeah, I want to create a div element. In that, I am creating a class. Okay, the class name I'm giving as container. Okay, then I want to write the h1, the first heading. Okay, I'm writing by using h1 tag. In that, I'm writing as enquiry form. Okay, then I want to give. So if I go, if I run this, Yeah, I got the heading H1 tag. Okay, Enquiry form. Next what? Next, now only I'm going to start the form. Okay, if you want to create form, you want to make use of form. Oh my god. If you want, I want to use form tag. So inside the form tag, I don't want action over here. Action, you want to put action link. That means where it want to go. Okay, that if I submit this form, where I need to go, either through any either to any email, or if I submit this form, this one to go to the any Excel sheet, that time I want to put it in action. So for now I'm not creating anything to submit. Okay, I'm just creating the structure of a form, so I don't need action over here. I just removed it. Now let's give the label for name. Initially I need label as name, label for name, the name. Okay, I want to give the label as full name. Okay, then what, I want to create a input box. Okay, for that I want to make use of input tag. So here I'm going with the text only. Then I want to give an id, so I can use this id to select while styling it. Okay, so I'm giving as id, I give id as name. Then I also want to give the name attribute. Okay, do you know why I'm giving name attribute? I'm giving the name attribute. Okay, so I give name attribute as name only. Why I'm going to give name attribute? For all the input box, I want to give name attribute. Okay, this what I'm talking about, this name. Okay, so this will help me. Okay, this name attribute is used to identify form data when after submitting to a server. So after submitting, it will give a label for each input. Okay, for name, if the user type, for example, if the user type the name as Riya, it will give the attribute. So if we can identify, it will be like name colon Riya email. So whatever you give us a name, so the server can be identified by using this name attribute. Okay, so server, so that server will know what value belongs to what field. Is it clear? When we are submitting, we are identifying this data with the help of this name attribute only. Okay, next one. So I give okay, let's see till now. Okay, I give a name attribute, as well as I want to make name as required. Why I am making it required? So basically, if you create a form, if the user want to type the name, right, if the user forgot to type the name, and if the user try to submit, it should not be a valid form, right? So I want to make it as required, otherwise that message will be shown. Okay, so now I get the box. Now what I need to do is that inside the box I need what I want to show what I need to type over there. For example, I will show you that you want to write something called a placeholder. So inside the placeholder, I want to write your full name. In small letter, I am writing your full name. So if I refresh, you can see your full name. So it will, this placeholder is helping us as the user what it want to type inside the box. Okay, inside the box I need to type my full name, so it will come like that. Okay, all right, so we are done this much. Next what, next again I want to copy this one, and next I need to create, similarly I want to create email. So here I want label for email, then I want to give the label name as email only. I'm putting a colon. I'm putting a colon here as well. Okay. So email, label email. Then inside the input type, it should be email. Then ID as email. Then name also email. This is also required. Okay. And the placeholder, in the placeholder, I want to tell your email address. Your email address. ADDRESS. All right. Similarly, I want to create another for phone number. Okay. For the phone number, I'm giving label for phone. Then label name as phone. PHONE. Then type as for the phone number. I am going with not with the number. I'm going with this tel. This is the best for phone number. Okay. Then so we and I need to change the ID to phone, name to phone. Yeah, PH will also work, but I'm giving us phone, and it should also record. Uh, but I want to tell the pattern. Okay, I want to tell the required pattern over here. So I'm telling required pattern. I want the phone number in a particular pattern. That means I need it in 10 digits only. Okay, so for that you want to tell the required pattern. Okay, I mean the pattern the phone number is required, and I want to tell the pattern. So pattern equal to so you want to put a square bracket. I want to get the phone number in the range of 0 to 9. Okay, 0 to 9, 10 digits. 10 digits, 0 to 9, in that range. Okay. So and if the user didn't give in this particular range, I want to show a message. Okay. I want to show dear user entered 10 digits only. I want to show the message enter 10 digits only. Okay. So next one. Okay, so here as well, I need placeholder. In the placeholder, I want to tell type your phone number. Your phone number. All right. Now again, I want to create a label for Enquiry. Okay. Label type. Label for type Enquiry. I'm giving us type. The name label for which type I want to tell. Okay, the label should be Enquiry, ENQUIRY. Then, okay, this is not input tag. I don't need input tag over here. Instead of what I need the I want to select that drop down, right? So I want to use select. Here I want to tell the name as type, id as well type. Then, okay, I want to tell the options, and the first option should be disabled. Okay, I'm creating a blank option, and it should be disabled. So option, I'm not putting any value over there. Okay, I just created a dummy option. Then I want to make that as a disabled. All right. Then I want to put the other options, right? So first option, I want to put the value as product. The option name also product. Option also product. product. The second option, I want to put support. support. And option name as well support. Then again the value as feedback. Okay, all right. So let's see what we made till now. I'm not working with alignment right now. I'm not focusing on alignment, that I will do while doing CSS. Okay, now I get the full name, email address, phone number, and the drop down. The first option is not I don't put any value for the first option, that is disabled as well, and I got three options like this. Okay, all right. Next what? Mm, okay, next I need to create a label for message, that I didn't done, right? So come out of select tag. Then I want to create a label again. Oh, I'm creating a label for message. The user can type, I want to create a text area. Okay, so here I want to give the label as message. Any inquiry they can type there. So for that I want to create a text area. So you want to tell the tag text area. In that name I'm giving as message only. id I'm giving as message only. Okay, and I want to tell the width of row, how much height I need for this text area. Okay, for this box I need to tell rows equal to, I'm passing the value 4, and that is also I'm making as required, so the user will not skip that. Okay, and I think we are almost done. Yeah, finally I want to do buttons. Also I want to add a button. Okay, and button, I want to mention the type as submit button I need to do. Okay, and I want to tell the button name submit. Okay, all right, and closing the form tag, div tag I didn't close it. Mm-mm. Okay, div tag I need to close it over here. So this div tag is closing only over here. Okay, then closing the body HTML. All right, fine. So till here we done. Next what? We are done with the HTML. I hope I didn't missed anything. Yeah, we are done with the HTML part. Next what? Next I need to style this. Okay, Actually 90 percentage of the code lies in our HTML, sorry, our CSS. Okay, so let's go and style it. We want to come inside the style tag. Okay, let's style one by one. First of all, I want to style the body. So styling means the major part is not about adding color or anything. In CSS, if you know to select those things, for example, if I want to select the body, I want to tell body, right? If you know how to select those things, you can do magic in styling. Okay, so I selected body. What you need to do, what you need to learn is that how to select those things. We have siblings, adjacent sibling, child, parent, etc., right? So for that we have to use specific keys, right? Like plus, tilde, those things. So here I'm not going to more advanced way to select. I'm selecting in very simple way. So now I selected body. For that I want to give the font family. I want to give the font family. I want to make everything Arial. Yeah, I need these two things only. All right, that's fine, isn't it? So I give font family. Then, okay, I need to style the background. I want to add one image, right? So here in background, I'm telling URL. Okay, URL. I already copied that URL. Yeah, it is over here. So let's run. Some image will not load. So let me check whether it is there or not. Yeah, it is there. Okay, it loaded. Some images will not load. That's why I checked. So yeah, now it is working. The image. Then I want to tell no repeat. The image should be no repeat. Okay. Then it want to be center, and it should no. It should be. Then what we need to do? Oh, never mind. Okay. I want to make it as fixed. Okay, so it will not change as well. Yeah, we are done with the background, and it should be fully covered. So that also I want to tell, like background size, background. Something happened. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, I put these things inside that. It should not be like that. It should be over here. Oh, something happened. So background, I put URL. Inside it I put the URL. Then I mention no repeat, sender fixed. All right, fine. So next what? I want to set the size and everything. Now also it is fine, but I'm just making sure that it is fully covered. Okay, I want to select the size as cover. Margin, I don't want any margin, so I'm putting 0. And padding, also 0. All right, so we are done with the body editing. One more thing. We are done with the body. Now I need to put everything that. Okay, now I'm going to edit the everything inside the class container. Okay, these things are all the things are inside the class container. So I want to edit that class. How to edit that class? You want to use dot class name. The class name is container. You can see all the things under container is selector, container, correct? Mm, yeah, I want to select that container. Now I want to tell the width 500 pixel, margin 80 pixel, then background I need RGBA, and I want to pass each value. For red I am putting 255, for green I am putting 255 itself, blue 255, and for alpha I'm passing 0.9. 0.9. Okay, yeah. So then I want to put the padding as well for the container. Padding value I am passing 30 pixel. Then border radius I am passing 10 pixel. Then I want to put box shadow. I am passing the value 0. Box shadow. Okay, this is the angle. Okay, 20 angle size in which direction the box shadow should come. Okay, then I want to tell the color as well. So color RGBA I'm passing 0, 0, 0, 2. Then I want to tell the color of that should be uh, hash 333. Okay, that one. All right, let's see whether, yeah, I created a transparent box right now, isn't it? Now I need to align everything. All right, that's amazing. So now I styled the container. Next I want to style all the h1 tag, I mean h1 element. Okay, the heading h1 enquiry form. So that I need to do the editing. For that I want to select h1 tag itself. In that I want to do editing, like for the h1 I want to do the text alignment. So I am aligning the text. It should be center. Okay, now I need text color. So that font color should be I need to give a specific color. All right. So I'm giving the color code 007. No, yeah, the blue color only. Then I want to give the margin. So I want to give margin bottom to 25 pixel. Okay. Yeah, that's all for the H1 heading. I mean for the heading. Now I need to decorate for the label. I want to apply CSS for the label. So I'm selecting the label, all the label. Okay. For example, label means name, email, those label. Okay. I need to decorate name, phone, email. Okay, everything. So I'm giving display. I want to display as block element. Okay, if you put display inline element, it will come in same line horizontally, but I need not in the same line, in the next to it, one by one. Then I need to give the margin top 15 pixel I'm giving, as well as I need to give the margin bottom I'm giving as a small value 5 pixel something. Then font weight, I want to put the font weight as bold. Okay, I want to make everything as bold. Then I need to style, uh, apply CSS for all the this input tag. I mean input boxes. Okay, these boxes, as well as for this text box and this product box. Okay, these what is that? The select tag, right? So I want to select everything. I can select together, that will also work, right? So I want to select input. Then how to select the other one? You want to put comma, then select the select tag, as well as I want to select the text area. For all these things I need to style it. So for everything I am making a equal width. Okay, so it will get aligned automatically. I am putting 100 percentage width. Padding, I am putting 10 pixel. Then I want to tell the font size I am putting 14 pixel. Then border I am giving border, I want to give 1 pixel. Solid, then I need to give the color. I'm giving C almost white. Okay, not white, the silver, almost silver color. Okay, yeah, so I done that much, as well as I want to put border radius and border sizing. So border radius I want to put 5 pixel. Then borders box sizing I need to put border box. All right. So now I want to decorate the text area. So I want to select the text area. Okay. I want just need to resize to none. Resize to. Okay, fine. Now let's go for the. I mean, let's see till here. Okay. So I put adjustment and all. Now make I want to make the button. I want to decorate the submit button. Okay. Then I want to make a decoration. I want to put some hover effect. When mouse plays above that, I want to make some hover effect. Okay. So yeah. Mm, container. I want to check something. So here in the container with background, I put padding margin 80 pixel. I want to tell auto width 500, background color white I put. Okay. Then padding 30 pixel I put, border radius. Okay. Background color padding. Okay, 30 pixel, that's fine. Border radius 10 pixel. All right. So let's continue. We can decorate for the button. Okay, the submit button I'm talking about. So here button, I want to decorate. I want to give margin top to 20 pixel. Then I want to give padding. I want to give padding as 10 pixel, then 15 pixel, then background color I want to give. So I'm giving background as that blue color only. Okay, 07 BFF, that color only. Then border, I don't need border, so I'm giving the value as none. Then border radius, I'm giving as 5 pixel. Font weight, that submit should be right in bold, and that should be cursor pointer. Cursor pointer. Okay, then and I want to put some hover effect for that submit button. So again, I'm selecting. Okay, I forgot to add the submit button color. That should be white. Okay, I added the background color. I want to tell the color of the text color. Okay, submit should be written in white. So I want to tell the code FFF, that everyone should know. Okay, then what? Yeah, if I place the cursor over the submit button, mouse button over the submit button, I want to get a hover effect. So I'm putting button. I want to tell, oh my god, I want to tell hover effect, background. I want to tell the color. 005 6B3. All right, now let's see. All right, now it's correct, right? So as I forgot to put auto here, it it is doesn't come in the center. Okay. Now, yeah, we are done with finally. So let's see whether it is working or not. Let me type my name, Riya, email. Mm, I'm writing byte by Riya at gmail.com. Okay. Now, if I didn't submit, it is asking me to fill out. Okay. If I try to submit without typing, it is asking me to type the phone number. I can only enter 10 digits. Okay. Okay. I'm putting some random value. Oh, it is saying it should match 10, enter 10 digits only. Please match the requested format. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I put a random number. Okay. Enquiry support message. I can type something. Okay. I can type anything. Okay. All right. So that's all. And if I submit, it will not work. Okay, because I didn't added that part. I made a beautiful form only. That's all today, as I just planned. Yeah, that's all for today's video. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please subscribe and help me to reach the first 100 subscribers. And if you like this video, please show me your love by hitting the like button. That's all, guys. Thank you so much. Bye.